Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tola, also known as NutriJ, and this is the nutrition channel that you want to be. And today we'll be talking about food safety and nutrition. What is food safety? Food safety is everything that you do comprehensively in order to make sure that your food is safe to consume, in order to make sure that the food that you are eating, the food that you are consuming is safe for consumption. Yeah, that is food safety. And something that is very, very important about food safety is that make sure to wash your hands. If you are the one preparing your meals yourself, make sure to wash your hands every time. Immediately you come into the kitchen, wash your hands. As you are cooking and maybe you've touched a vegetable and you want to move to raw food like raw meat or raw fish, wash your hands. And if it's vice versa, wash your hand. If you have touched something that you know that this thing could be dirty, make sure to wash your hand. Why are you washing your hand always? This is so that you would avoid cross contamination. Cross contamination can be very, very deadly. We've had so many examples of cross contamination, and some they were just at the point of losing their life. But thank God some did lose it. Some they could not make it and they lost their lives. It could be that deadly. So make sure to wash your hands frequently, as often as you can. If you're the one making your food by yourself, you need to make sure to source your ingredients from safe sources that you know that they care for the ingredients. Those are the places that you should make your own source of raw materials for making food in your home.